Hi y'all, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I have some major cleaning motivation. We hit just about every single room in my house. We get so much done today. So if you are chilling, ready to get motivated, or you're cleaning along with me, let's just jump right in. So first I'm going to be starting in my bathroom, and today I needed to do a little bit of a deeper clean than I normally do. Normally I kind of just clear off the counters, wipe things down quick, but today I really needed to scrub out the sink and the toilet. So that is what you see me doing. It makes it really easy for me to do this because I keep a little like cleaning kit in each individual bathroom. I know it sounds so extra, but I do. I keep like a scrubber, a cleaning spray. I have like the power wash spray here. I keep Lysol wipes, one in each bathroom, so that I can just quickly, whenever I'm in here, this is right after I'm getting ready for the day, I can just clean up real quick. It makes my life so much easier because I just clean as I go throughout the day. That is my major life hack that really helps me. So I'm just scrubbing out the sink, scrubbing out the toilet, wiping every single thing down with Lysol wipes, and I am replacing the Airwick air freshener in here to get everything smelling good, you know what I mean? And of course I spill some of the juice out of it, but whatever, I can just wipe that up and we're moving on. So I'm into my bedroom. I'm cleaning off the dresser. There's just like random clothes that needs to be put away. My jewelry needs to be put away, and like, you know, trash, charging cords, whatever. It just needs to get put where it actually belongs. And then I need to basically like divvy up the clothes. I like to do this first thing in the morning if I can. If I know I have a lot of laundry to get done, I separate it all out first thing. I leave it in these huge annoying piles on the floor so I see it all the time, and I remember to like constantly switch out, you know, flip the laundry, washer dryer. And I got to a lot of it today. I think I literally did like 8 loads in one day, and you will see me folding that later. So if you needed some laundry motivation, there it is. Get it all sorted out, put it on the floor where you can't avoid it, and you will get it done. Set timers on your phone if you have to. Yeah, you gotta get that laundry motivation. I definitely needed it this day. So now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I am just going to unload and reload the dishwasher, and that's all I could get done in this particular like moment of the day. But I hit the kitchen a little bit later as well. So no big deal. I kind of just do what I can in the little moments. This happens to be a time where the baby is taking one of his naps and the toddler was eating lunch. So I just take like 10 minutes to unload and reload the dishwasher. It makes life so much easier. Like I said, if you just clean as you go. I used to be someone who would like let things pile up, and then I do one deep clean every 3 days. And it is so much more stressful for me that way, because then if I can't finish it all in one day, it's like this big, huge deal to me. It is just way too stressful. So I have gotten myself in the habit over the years of cleaning as I go, and it just helps me stay on top of everything, and it makes cleaning actually enjoyable and actually something that is like relieving to my stress instead of something that stresses me out. You know what I mean? It actually gives me relief and makes me happy. So yeah, just clean as you go if you can. It's a hard habit to start doing, but once you have it, it'll be amazing. It's literally life-changing. After I am done loading the dishwasher, I just have a couple of hand wash items that I need to take care of. And then any like water, anything that I spilled, I just take this towel and kind of wipe it down off the edge of the sink. And I just kind of quickly wipe off the counters, but not actually cleaning them, just making sure there's no like water everywhere, if that makes sense. And then I am moving on. So this is even later in my day. A lot of my cleaning videos, I basically just take you guys throughout my day with me. I do not have like a 3-hour chunk of time in the day where I can clean uninterrupted. That is not realistic for my life right now. I have a 3-year-old and a 7-month-old. There's no way I'm getting 3 hours of uninterrupted time ever for pretty much any reason. So I pretty much just take y'all with me throughout the day, and I set up the camera anytime I'm going to tidy something or clean something, and that is what you guys are seeing. So I did that in the kitchen like a few hours ago, and then this is, you know, a few hours later. My toddler is actually down for his nap, and the baby is awake, and you can actually see him in the video, and I thought this was the perfect time to kind of tidy up the baby's room. So yeah, I'm just letting him chill on the floor, play with an empty diaper box. That's cool with me. I'm just going to sort out their clothes and put it away. and wipe a couple things down and call it good in here. I would normally vacuum, but I didn't want to disturb the toddler if I didn't have to. Sometimes for the most part, my kids sleep through the vacuum, but I try not to push it because I knew I could just vacuum later, so why risk it kind of thing. So yeah, I'm just kind of picking things up, putting them where they belong, wiping things down with Lysol wipes, and getting out of here. A little while after that, the baby went down for his second nap of the day, and this is what I like to call like my perfect cleaning opportunity, is those rare occasions that my two kids nap at the same time. This definitely does not happen every single day, but when it does, I love to speed clean the main living area. So I'm starting in the living room, picking up all the toys. I'm letting the dogs go outside so I can vacuum and stuff over here. I'm picking things up, moving my toy baskets and blanket baskets and everything out of the way so I can vacuum really well. And I'm going to also quick mop with my O-Cedar quick mop. Love that thing. And I have my floral pinalin in there, so it just gives this beautiful floral scent. It's probably my favorite cleaning scent aside from like a green apple scent. The pinalin floral specifically is like out of this world. It smells so good. So when you clean with it, it just fills your house with that smell, and I love it so much. And I'm trying really hard to speed clean here because my husband, it was already like later in the evening or late in the afternoon. So my husband was on his way home from work, and I was just trying to clean my butt off. Not that he even really cares. My husband wouldn't care if I didn't clean at all, let alone if, the house is clean when he gets home. But I know it's just like a human thing that it's nice to come home from a long day of work to a clean house that smells really good and smells like flowers. Like, who wouldn't love that, So I was trying to just speed clean and get this done before he got home. So then I'm spraying the curtains and the couch down with the Downy, it's Febreze plus Downy April Fresh, which is like the best floral, like laundry softener scent. It's amazing. And then I'm wiping the living room down and the dining room table down with Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray. And then I'm quickly moving on to the kitchen as well to wipe the counters down, like officially wipe them down. Like I said earlier, all I really did was kind of wipe off the water. I didn't actually, clean them with a cleaning spray. So here I am doing that now. I'm just going to wipe down the counters really quickly and then vacuum and mop also in the dining room and kitchen area. And I'm just speeding through this. It also really helps that like I didn't wait to do the dishes. So the dishes are already taken care of. And now it's later in the day, and all I have to do in the kitchen is wipe things down really quickly. That is what I'm talking about when I'm saying, like, don't just wait. If you have 10 minutes, it'll shock you what you can get done in just 10 minutes. If you can unload and reload the dishwasher, I promise you, like 4 hours later, like I'm doing right now, it is so relieving that you're like, oh, all I have to do is wipe down the counters now, no big deal. And then everything is like clean and perfect, So I'm I'm quick mopping in the kitchen with my O-Cedar quick mop. And that is like the main area done really quickly. It looks kind of messy because I have some shirts drying on the chairs and, there's stuff on the drying rack in the kitchen. But for the most part, it is like totally clean and picked up and just ready for my husband to come home to a nice, clear, clean space that smells really good. And I had lit candles before I even started cleaning in here, so they had time to really fill the space with that beautiful scent. And also it's nice for me because then my kids didn't even wake up right away, and my husband didn't come home for like another 30 minutes after I was done cleaning. So then I get to enjoy the space and just 30 minutes of pure, quiet, relaxing time in a clean space, which is so awesome. So here I am just quickly getting to all that laundry that I was telling you guys about. I did wait to fold all the laundry until my husband was home, and it's kind of later in the evening, but I had so much laundry. I think I did 3 loads of regular clothes, a load of towels, a load of the kids' clothes, and then 3 loads of my husband's work clothes. So I just kind of time-lapsed it for you guys, so it's not like, 10 minutes of folding in like a 15-minute video. So here I am just finishing things up, and I do hang my husband's workout clothes and his work clothes in this guest room that I'm in right now. And I'd love to show you guys how we kind of organize like our clothing, but I'm not quite finished with it yet. I'm so excited to reorganize the closet in the guest room specifically because it was kind of a disaster, and I think I've come up with some pretty good ideas that work really good but also look really cute, which is, you know, it's always a win. It functioned first, but if you can also get it to look cute and like look really good, that's even better, right? So yeah, that might be an upcoming video for you guys. Once I can get this closet in here like officially done and organized, I would love to share that stuff with you guys. So let me know if you're interested in more organizing videos. I would definitely be happy to do those for you guys. So I'm just finishing up the folding here, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. And if you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much as well. Or if you ever comment on anything, it really, really means the absolute world to me. This is the end of the video. So if you want to keep cleaning along with me, I have a whole nother playlist of way more cleaning content. If you guys want to keep going, I will link that right here. And I will also link all my other socials down below. I'm trying to be a little bit more active everywhere these days. So go ahead and follow me everywhere if you want to, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.